Hello everyone, this question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is ninth question of its exercise 5.4. So the question says that find the angle measured between the hands of the clock in each figure. So here's our first, second and third. So for first, this is complete 360 angle and divided into 12 parts. So angle है हमारा 3 parts में 10, 11, 12. So angle हो जाएगा 3/12 into 360. So 12 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 360 30 टाइम. सो हो जाएगा एंगल 90 डिग्री. वैसे हम डायरेक्टली मेजर कर सकते हैं थ्रू प्रोटेक्टर और हमें दिख भी रहा है ये है 90 डिग्री. सेकेंड, सो हियर वन पार्ट है. सो 1/12 into 360. 12 से कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा 30 टाइम. सो हो जाएगा 30 डिग्री. So this angle will be 30 degree and this angle is 90. And third, 12 to 6. So there are 6 subparts upon 12 into 360. So 12 से cancel out हो जाएगा 360 30 टाइम हो जाएगा 180 degree. So this is a straight angle and straight angle is equal to 180 degree. So that's are the measurement of these angles. Thank you.